We start the shiur on Tefilla. We did till Yud with the Rachum. We are up to Chanun. What does Chanun mean? Chanun means gracious. Now, what's the difference between Rachum and Chanun in this middle of Rachum? Rachum means having mercy. Chanun means gracious. Rachum means that somebody does a job for you and you tell him that I pay you $100. He didn't do the job of $100. He gives you a job of $90, $95, $80. And you are Rachum, you have mercy. You say, okay, it's not so strict. We could manage, we could make it. Some people pay $100 for this. That's it, that was more deal with us. It doesn't become so strict. And he gives $100. Chanun means gracious. Chanun means he didn't work for you and he wants lunch, he wants food. We give him, we are gracious. He didn't do anything. Chanun means matanat chinam. Like Moshe Rabbeinu, David Hashbarchu, Be'et Chanun. Be'et Chanun comes from Chanun. But what does Chanun means? That I didn't do anything for you. And whatever that you are giving me is matanat chinam. It's for nothing. I didn't do anything. Imagine Moshe Rabbeinu. All of the Torah that is being learned from the time of Har Sinai till Mashiach is through Moshe Rabbeinu. Moshe Rabbeinu is Rabbi of the Har Israel. He's the beloved of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Anav Me'od. And he worked so hard for the years working for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, making a connection of Am Israel, unbelievable connection. When he comes and he davens to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, prays to Hashem, he would have something to rely on. I worked hard for the HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Give it to me. No, he says, no, wait, Chanun. HaKadosh Baruch Hu, whatever that you give me is matrat chinam. Really, I don't deserve. You see, HaKadosh Baruch Hu works like this. If somebody goes to Hashem and says, please give me, I deserve. Hashem says, okay, let me open your file. You deserve it or not. Now, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you cannot say that I deserve. The person feels that he deserves, he doesn't deserve. Somebody who feels that is not worthy, doesn't deserve, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu will give him graciously. That's the way to deal with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, we are asking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we are Rachum with us, and Chanun, greater step. Now, what's the secret that HaKadosh Baruch Hu would be Chanun with us? We said that the Gemara says, somebody who does this seder, asuk seder, you don't go empty-handed. That's it, read the seder, say, asuk. What does asuk mean? You should do it. If we want to awaken the gracious by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we have to act it. You have to be gracious to other people. Sometimes, a lot of times, we are very strict. Somebody doesn't deserve, we are not ready to give anything, nothing. We don't say that, oh, it doesn't deserve it. We have to say that even though that doesn't deserve, we give. We give and we give. Once we give and we have that mitzvah in ourselves, this awakens the mitzvah of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to graciously with us. That's why we say Chanun. Chanun means gracious, means matanat chinam. Once we adopt in ourselves, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu would give it to us also, actually, mitzvah to us also.